There are men out there who attract high-quality women effortlessly. It's not magic or luck. It's a combination of traits they've worked on. On the other hand, there are guys who can't seem to get anywhere with women. And it's not because women are the problem. Blaming women is a cop-out. Sure, there are those who are bitter and would rather bash women than face their own shortcomings. But that's just weakness in disguise. You don't become better by blaming others. You become better by fixing yourself. Women aren't the enemy. They can actually add incredible joy and depth to your life. But before you can attract women who will elevate your life, you must elevate yourself. If you're serious about improving your relationships with women, take responsibility and stop playing the victim. And today, we're going to explore 3 critical areas that will make you irresistible to women. Number 1, unleash your energy. A high-energy man stands out. He's vibrant, alive, and commands attention. Women are drawn to that because it signals strength and leadership. Confidence without energy is hollow. Now, I'm not talking about being hyperactive or obnoxious. This is about being in control of a power that others can sense. Think of the dominant male in the animal kingdom. Take the silverback gorilla, for example. The alpha gorilla commands respect, not just because he's bigger or louder, but because his energy is grounded in both strength and calm. He knows when to take charge, but also how to be nurturing. In the human world, this kind of energy isn't about chest pounding or acting overly macho. It's about channeling your energy into productive, focused efforts. However, modern life drains your energy without you even realizing it. Scrolling mindlessly on your phone, overconsumption of adult content, and living a sedentary lifestyle are all traps that leave you drained. But guess what? You can reclaim your energy. Start with the basics. Move your body. Exercise and physical activity are natural energy boosters. Get outside and soak in the sunlight. Sleep like a king, because a well-rested man is sharper, more vibrant, and more powerful. And if you think competition is toxic, you're wrong. Healthy competition among men boosts testosterone and drives you to be better. It's no coincidence that societies trying to eliminate competition are breeding weaker men. Be aware of what fuels your energy and what steals it. The more conscious you are of this, the better you'll be able to maintain that powerful, magnetic energy women can't resist. Number 2, build irresistible charisma. Charisma is an absolute game changer. It's what separates the man everyone forgets from the man everyone wants to follow. Charismatic men aren't just liked, they're respected, admired, and, frankly, adored. Women are wired to be drawn to men who can influence others effortlessly. Now, you might think charisma is something you either have or you don't, but that's just a myth. Charisma is a skill, and it can be developed. At its core, charisma comes from a combination of confidence, energy, and social intelligence. We already discussed energy, so let's move on to how you can become more charismatic. First, listen more than you speak. Too many men think talking a lot makes them interesting, but it does the opposite. Listening makes you mysterious, and it also makes the other person feel valued. Be the guy who speaks with purpose. Every word you say should carry weight. Women are drawn to men who can be both cocky and humble, but never wasteful with their words. When you do speak, look women directly in the eyes. This shows dominance, focus, and sincerity. Don't be the guy who avoids eye contact or looks down. That's a surefire way to kill attraction. And here's the kicker. Charisma thrives on authenticity. Stop trying to be liked by everyone. When you try to please everyone, you lose your edge. You become vanilla, safe, and boring. Women respect men who are unapologetically themselves, even if it means ruffling a few feathers along the way. When you aren't afraid to stand firm, it signals strength, and both men and women will respect you for it. Number 3, elevate your appearance and hygiene. It might sound shallow, but the truth is, first impressions matter. In the first few seconds of meeting someone, you've already made a judgment, and women are no different. A man who smells great and dresses well gives off a powerful signal. I take care of myself, and I value myself. If you walk around looking like you don't care about yourself, why should anyone else? Hygiene is non-negotiable. Shower regularly. Brush your teeth. And for the love of everything, scrape your tongue. Bad breath is an instant attraction killer. Take care of your hair, even if that means shaving it off if you're balding. Own your look. If you've got a beard, trim it to match your face. Once you've got the basics covered, it's time to refine your style. Women notice how a man dresses. It's not about wearing expensive clothes. It's about finding a style that works for your body and personality. Even if you think fashion is superficial, dressing well shows that you respect yourself, and people will respect you more for it. Remember, you don't need to spend thousands on a wardrobe. Just make sure what you wear fits well and makes you feel confident. You could have all the confidence in the world, but if you show up to a date looking like you just rolled out of bed, that's a deal breaker. Lastly, invest in a good cologne. Smell is one of the strongest senses, and the right scent can make you unforgettable. But here's the secret. Don't overdo it. Subtlety is key. In summary, the journey to attracting women starts with you becoming the best version of yourself. High energy, magnetic charisma, and presenting yourself well are the foundations. If you master these three things, you'll find women naturally drawn to you without even trying. The best part? You'll not only attract women, but you'll also improve every area of your life. By the way, if you want to keep learning and growing, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care.